Hello everybody, and welcome to Clouded Thoughts Furniture for our tip for today. So I'm working on a dining room fixture that's going to be made out of mason jars on the bottom and some barnwood. I decided for the first time to use some wire that is cloth covered. I thought it'd make a little bit more authentic looking. The problem I was having though is when I had to pull this through some of the fittings and some of the strain reliefs, it just the cloth just kept coming down. I tried everything I could. I put black electrician's tape on it, and it just didn't quite do what I wanted it to do. So I got thinking, I went down to the local auto part shop, and I got some heat shrink tubing. I thought that would work and give me the nice tight closure I needed on all that cloth so it wouldn't pull back. So I went and I cut myself just some a 3-inch piece, heated it up. I don't know if you can see that very good. Heat it up, pinch the end really good. So now when I go through here, I hope you can see this, but I come through here and I come through this little strain relief. It just goes right through. There's no problems at all. Everything does perfect. I can just pull it straight through. And then even on the other end, this real quick, even on the other end when I've got to do it, it goes great. And even if I have to go in reverse, which I have to when I get to the mason jar, it goes right on. It just pulls right through, and then when I'm done, I just pull the shrink off, and it's perfect. I get the length I want. And it ends up looking like this. So here's going to be the finished product, and I'll give you a couple pictures on that a little bit later on. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Clouded Thoughts out.